Hi everyone. Do you remember me? My name's Susan. I'm your gender teacher. I used to know you. I feel like it's been, I don't even know, 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks since I've seen you last. Hope everybody's okay. I'm okay. It's been a weird couple weeks though, I can't even lie. So we lost a lot of time and we're gonna have to kind of crunch some stuff together, but I think between all of us, we are smart and organized and engaged, which is the best kind of class I could ever wish for. So I can't wait to see you tomorrow. So we're gonna put Faith, Isaac, and Francisco on institutions. They're gonna lead us off, and then Kiara and Jordan are gonna talk about change, and that's what's gonna happen 11:05, which is tomorrow. So I will go in and fix this. And then on the 12th, we'll have Sierra and Adasia and doing sexualities, and then Shania and Cindy doing families. So this will be updated. I'll update it right now and I'll add it in this message to you. But that's the plan. I'll be in my office by 1 o'clock if you guys are wanting to check in before class. Also, you can email me, but I'm super looking forward to getting our group back together and checking in and just being with each other because I do really miss you. All right, I hope you're well and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.